Alright guys, what is up? It's Kevin again, and it is the next day. I just pulled the motor out yesterday. Now I need to go return the engine hoist to the hardware store that I rented it from. But I guess no one I know is available for me to borrow the truck, so I'm gonna have to go to U-Haul and actually rent a truck to take back this rental engine hoist and then return the truck. So yep, goes to show it's more convenient to like own things and like constantly rent things, but that's what I get for being cheap. Anyways, just warming up the car. Haven't drove this thing in a few days, so pretty excited. Hopefully everything works out. I'm really excited to start this build, and yeah. Alright, got the U-Haul van. Whew, it sucks doing all this by yourself. Got the cherry picker right here, about to take this thing apart, and this thing is super heavy, so that's gonna be lots of fun. Alright, just waiting on the new motor to come. Alright, I got the new engine, the G35 Revup, 128,000 miles with the harness and the stock clutch and flywheel, which I won't be needing because I got an Exity. Looks like besides that, everything's stock, include the harness and also he threw in air filter, K&N, included the ECU for the Revup, and the intake with the heat box. And yep, that's a wrap. I'm gonna have to order some motor mounts, and I need to get the engine hoist again, and then I can put the tranny with the motor. Right now just sitting over there until we can get an engine hoist and move it, because it's pretty heavy. We moved it out of his truck just with us 3 people and my dad and him, and it was like pretty heavy. Anyways, that's a wrap. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks.